Sijal, what are you doing?
I want to drive the car because I love it.
You are too young to drive a car.
Oh my god, I didn't know that.
It's too dangerous for the children to drive. You must go and sit behind and wear the seat belt.
Okay, I'll go and sit behind. It's so safe to sit behind. Let's buckle our seat belts. Awesome!
What did you do?
I threw the bottle.
Why did you throw the bottle outside?
There was no water in the bottle.
That doesn't mean you should throw it outside. It means you are littering. And littering is so bad.
Oh my god, I didn't know. I'll go pick it up.
You should go out of the car and pick it up and throw it in the dustbin.
Okay. Let's throw the bottle in the dustbin. Yay! Awesome!
Sijal, Zagam, Mahveen, what are you doing?
I'm jumping.
You will. Mahveen, if you fall from sofa, you will get hurt. And you guys are making too much noise that everybody in the house and the next door neighbors are getting disturbed from your noise. That's very bad.
Oopsie, sorry.
Yeah, you should play, but you should not make noise and pick up all the mess you made.
Okay, let's pick up all the rest of it. We're done, Mama. Yeah, we're done. We're done. What are you doing, Zagam? Caesar, look at these flowers. They are so beautiful. Yeah, they smell great too. Caesar, I'm thinking to pluck some flowers for my teacher. Yeah, me too. I'm thinking to pluck some flowers for my mom.
What are you doing, guys?
We're planning to pluck some flowers.
Do you know plants are also living things? They also get hurt when you will pluck them, they will die.
Oh, I didn't know that. Sorry.
So you should not pluck them and you should leave them like this.
Okay. What are you doing? I'm playing with the cash counter. I want it. No, I want it. I took it first. I want the cash counter. No, I want to play.
Hey guys, what's wrong?
I want to play with the cash counter. I took it first.
Why are you fighting?
Because I want it. No, I want to play with this.
Guys, you need to be nice to each other. You need to share the things because sharing is caring. So play together.
Okay, that's it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get our latest videos.